be sad, Barbie. We have something interesting for you. Barbie's hair is ruined, which means it's time to change her look. Cut off the ponytail and take out all the hair with tweezers. Now take a kitchen sponge and glue it to her head. Wow! She looks like a disco superstar! As soon as the glue dries, you can use the sponge as intended. Just add some soap and water. Barbie is so great! She washes the dishes so well! She's so helpful! For the next idea, take a headband and small plastic dinosaurs. Paint the headband pink. And the toys silver. Paint all the details and even out the tone. When the paint dries, glue all the toys to the hoop. Try it on! The Jurassic period suits me! I love it! It's simple, but elegant. And this accessory looks so great in photos! And now we'll tell you what you can make from an old toy pig. Cut off half, since you won't need the back. Take a tube of toothpaste. Glue it inside so that the hole and the pig's mouth line up. Oink oink! Have you brushed your teeth yet? If not, hurry to the bathroom and bring your toothbrush. For this idea, take a bottle of liquid soap with a dispenser and slime in form of a snake. Place the snake on the bottle. Cut off the upper part and glue the tentacle around the dispenser. Now take a rubber toy. Turn it inside out. Cut a hole in the middle. Put it on the dispenser. Glue on some eyes. Meet Mr. Soapy Octopus. He will be watching your hygiene from now on. Did you wash your hands after you came inside? And now let's give a new life to plastic binoculars. Paint them gold. Be sure to distribute the color evenly. Now take decorative bells and glue them to the bottom of the binoculars instead of legs. And also glue them on top as holders. Decorate them with golden beads. Insert candles into the holders. Light them. Can you feel the love tonight? This poor teddy bear is completely destroyed. Cut off its torn nose. Glue a mirror to the place of the cut. Then take beads with the letters and make a necklace with a motivational quote for your bear. String the beads on a cord. Put the beads on your teddy bear. Attach a bow to its head. Done! Teddy, Teddy on the wall, who's the fairest of them all? The answer is obvious! And now take a rubber chicken. Make several round marks around the tail. Cut them out one by one. Then take some pens and glue them to the holes by their caps. What a funny pen holder! Cluck, cluck, cluck! You want to write something, don't you? Pull a feather, but be very careful! This Rubik's Cube has clearly been through a lot, but we have plans for it. Take some paint and color it all one shade. Next, you will need stickers with circles cut out of them and some glue. Glue the stickers to different faces. Coat a cutout circle with glue and sprinkle it with glitter. Remove the sticker. Decorate all the faces of the cube to get a big die. Now take decorative clothespins and wooden sticks. Glue them together. Decorate them with stickers and rhinestones. Insert sticks between the faces of the cube and insert sheets with reminders in the clothespins. This is an upgrade! I wouldn't even have recognized my old Rubik's Cube. Now it's easy to see, always in the spotlight, and it has an important role in my life. Is there really no way to save my favorite bunny? Maybe there is a way! Take the toy and cut it open. Take off the head, the legs, the ears, and the tail. Next, take a fanny pack and sew the bunny pieces to it using the fanny pack as the body. Now cut a heart out of pink felt and sew it to the center of the bag. Your new accessory is ready! Put your bag on, put your things inside, and that's it! Now your cute bunny will always be by your side. And now take some Lego blocks and glasses. Glue the parts to the frame. Carefully stack them. Cover the whole frame. Next, take smaller blocks to emphasize some places. These are real glasses of coolness! These glasses make you look like a character from a video game or a cartoon. Your favorite ring with a huge plastic flower isn't trendy anymore? Or is it? Color the ring black with a permanent marker. Now take a small toy Spider-Man and glue it over the stone. It looks very original! Now your friendly neighborhood Spider-Man will always be on your finger! For the next idea, take a figurine of Fiona, Shrek's girlfriend, and a couple of rings from plastic bottles. Glue the rings together so that they close. And glue them to Fiona's back, from above and below. Adjust her hairstyle using a brush and paints, and also update the doll's outfit. Emphasize individual details with a thinner brush. And take a toothbrush. Place Fiona upright and insert the toothbrush in the rings. This stand makes brushing your teeth fun, and your teeth will live happily ever after. And now let's share an idea for using soap base. Cut it into small cubes. Put it in a ladle and place it on the stove. Melt the soap until it turns into an even liquid mass. And take a small mold. Spray it with rubbing alcohol. Put a small toy on the bottom and pour the melted soap on top. Spray rubbing alcohol from above again. When the soap hardens, take it out of the mold. Wow! It's almost like a Kinder Surprise, but way more interesting. So, where's my bag with old toys? I'll need a lot of soap. And now take a toy hedgehog. Make a hole to make the hedgehog smile wider. And put the toy on your shower head. Gently spread the bristles. And smooth out the face. Done! It looks very funny, and taking a shower is way more fun now. And now we'll tell you what you can do with a small toy duck. Take it apart. You won't need the head. Make an incision in the bottom with a box cutter. Insert a wooden stick. Glue it together. That's it! You gave the bookmark a leg. Now, even if your page tries to run away, the bookmark will catch it. Did you like our new life hacks and crafts? Which one of these ideas will you try out? Comment below, subscribe to our channel, put a like on this video, click on the bell, and share the link with your friends.